Hey, install team. I just wanted to shoot a little video for you guys and say thank you. I really appreciate the effort and energy you guys have been putting in the last couple weeks. I know it's been a hard few months as we've had some changes and some turnover and trying to grow and learn our positions more and our skills more. But I do want to say thank you to you guys for really stepping up, really accepting Chobi onto the team and utilizing his knowledge. I mean, I think it's been fantastic. I'm so happy and proud of you guys for accepting him and for him obviously jumping in and listening to you, what your guys' needs are and how he can support you and help you guys. And ultimately, at the end of the day, that's all I've ever really wanted for you, for the company, and for our customers is the triple win. And no, I haven't always been perfect manager for you guys when I had the opportunity to try to lead you guys and manage and hold accountability. And, I know that there's a lot more for us to come and still work on, but I'm excited for you guys. I appreciate you guys and just wanted to take a moment of gratitude tonight and send you guys a quick little message and keep up the hard work. Really excited about what the install team is going to keep doing throughout this year and as we add more people to the team and some of the ideas that we want to roll out with you guys and work with you guys together on. So please keep moving forward. I truly appreciate you guys. Thank you. Eco Plumbers, saving the day, protecting the future.